video for you guys. Let us do this. It is my new Ludwig. It's going to be a beat video for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna do some beats with my drums. I got new heads. I'll review it at the end of the video. So let's do some beats of the new heads I got from the sounds of my drums. You can see that these heads sound really good. Here's the first tom. It needs a bottom to it actually. So yeah. And here we have the second tom. It needs to be tuned actually. We have is the snare head. Sounds pretty good. I like it actually. And here we have is the tom. And here we have these. That needs to be tuned. And then we have the kick drum. So, and here we have is the infamous cymbals. Sounds pretty good. ZBT Zildjian, ZBT Zildjian, ZBT Zildjian. Well, yeah. Fracture 3 to 5. See you later. Bye.